Hi everyone, welcome to Brain Equation. Today I want to show you how to solve this equation, that is x minus 1 power 3 is equal to x minus 1. So x is unknown. We need to find out x. So I will use two methods to solve this question. Method number 1, I will write down the equation. The equation is x minus 1 x minus 1 power 3 is equal to x minus 1. Now we have x on both sides, so we can make our substitution here. Let x minus 1 is equal to t. We will insert the value of t in the equation and equation will become t cube is equal to t. Now bring t from right hand side to left hand side. We will have t cube minus t is equal to 0. Now we can factor out t from here. T, when we will factor out, we will left with t square minus t 1 because we have taken out t. So is equal to 0. So here I'm going to use a formula, very basic formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b, the product of a plus b and a minus b. So here we can use this formula. T times t square minus 1 can be written as t plus 1 and t minus 1 is equal to 0. So these all are in form of product which is equal to 0. So t, it is equal to 0 only if t is equal to 0, t plus 1 is equal to 0 or t minus 1 is equal to 0. So we will split this equation into three equations. T is equal to 0, t plus 1 is equal to 0 and t minus 1 is equal to 0. So don't forget your substitution that t was equal to x minus 1. So we will insert the value of t here. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So which implies that here x is equal to 1. So from here we got the value of x which is equal to 1. Here t is equal to minus 1. So plug in the value of t here. X minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So which implies that x is equal to minus 1 plus 1. So which implies that x is equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So here we can write t is equal to 1. We will bring 1 to the right hand side. Now x minus 1 is equal to 1. Insert the value of t here which implies that x is equal to 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. So we got three values of x here. Three values: x is equal to 1, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. So these are the three values that we have calculated from this from the first method. Now we are going to use the second method, another method to solve this question. So here we have x minus 1 power 3 is equal to x minus 1. So in the next step, we will subtract x minus 1 on both sides. To solve this equation, we will subtract x minus 1 on both sides because we have x minus 1. So x minus 1 power 3 minus x minus 1 and is equal to x minus 1 minus x minus 1. So here x minus 1 and then we the plus x minus 1 and minus x1 will cancel out with each other and we will get x minus 1 power 3 minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So in the next step, because we have x minus 1 in both terms, in both expressions, so we can factor out x minus 1 easily, x minus 1. So here we are left with x minus 1. We will take out when x minus 1, we will get x minus 1 power 2 minus here we will take out everything. So we will get 1 here is equal to 0. So from here we have a product equal to 0. X minus 1 is 1 product x minus 1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. So it is equal to 0 only when x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have splitted equation into two separate equations. So from the first equation we have x is equal to 1 and from the second equation we have x minus 1 square is equal to 1. Bring 1 on right hand side and now take square root on both sides here. we will get is equal to square root x minus 1 whole square is equal to square root 1. So this square will go with the square root. So we will get x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. So we will have two values here. Here we have x minus 1 is equal to 1 and x minus 1 is equal to minus 1. 1 time plus 1 and x minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So here we will write, which implies that x is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1, bring 1 to right hand side and we will get x is equal to 2. From here we have x is equal to minus 1. Here we will write minus, we forgot to write minus sign here, minus. So minus plus 1. So bring 1 to the right hand side and we will get minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 0. Again, the same three values. So that's all about this question. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till the next video, bye.